In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your GoDaddy email within your Gmail account, and trust me, it's very easy. So let's dive right in and get your email centralized in just a few simple steps. To begin, the first thing you're going to want to do is open your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're at the Google homepage, which I'm sure many of you are quite familiar with, go ahead and click on the Gmail icon up in the top right corner. This is going to lead you straight to your Gmail account, so make sure you're logged into the one you plan to use your GoDaddy email with. Once you're in Gmail, we're going to find our way to the settings. You should see a little cogwheel icon located in the upper right hand corner of the Gmail interface. Click on that and a drop down menu will appear. Now, for the purpose of setting this up properly, you want to choose See All Settings. This option will open up a more comprehensive settings menu with a lot of tabs on top. In the settings menu, what we're interested in is the Accounts and Import tab, so go ahead and click on that. This is where you're going to want to pay close attention because it's the hub for managing everything related to your email accounts. Once you're on the Accounts and Import page, look for the option that says Add a Mail Account and click on it. This feature allows you to integrate another email address into your current Gmail setup. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the email address you wish to add, so you will type in your full GoDaddy email address. Now, this is important. Make sure you enter the precise email address, as any errors here will prevent you from effectively receiving emails from your GoDaddy account in Gmail. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up your GoDaddy email to work seamlessly with your Gmail account. This not only lets you view all your emails in one place, but also centralizes your communications, making it easier for you to manage all incoming and outgoing correspondence. Remember, if at any point you encounter issues or anything doesn't seem right, it's always a good idea to double check that you've entered your details correctly and consult the help sections of both GoDaddy and Gmail for troubleshooting tips. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Having everything in one place can be a big time saver, and I'm glad I could help you set that up today. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out more of our helpful tech tutorials to keep improving your online experience.